Hello students, today I wanted to tell you the sounds of English. Okay, if you want to speak in English, then you need to maintain the pronunciation techniques, how to pronounce each word. So, even if you want to construct a sentence, you need some words. Okay, if you have to write those words, you need spelling. The alphabets are very important. So, when you are writing the alphabets, there is one difference. Let me show you that. So, if you see these words, ice, car. So here you can understand that the same word C can be pronounced as sa sound, and also this C can be pronounced as ka sound. So the same letters can be pronounced in a different way. So you have to follow some rules and regulations while you are pronouncing those letters. Okay, so today I wanted to explain you the sounds of English. There are 26 alphabets in English, but there are 44 sounds in English. So those sounds can be called as phonetics. So today I wanted to explain you those phonetics, and I wanted to explain you only the consonants which can be easily understandable. Okay, so consonants I am going to explain you today. So listen properly so that you can understand them and you can use them in your sentences, and you can pronounce exactly the way they are. Okay. So these are the consonant sounds. And if you see the first sound, that is P. In order to make you understand, I am writing with Telugu also. It's not Pa, but Pa. Okay. P sound. This is Ba sound, as you know already. And Ta sound. And this is Da sound. Ka sound. G sound. Not Ga or Ka, not like that. G. So that is the way of pronouncing. Unless you add some words, unless you add some letters, then only they may have the power to pronounce that particular sound in a correct way. Okay, and this is M sound. This is Na sound. This is N. Fa sound. Wa sound. And this is The sound. This is The sound. Sha sound. Za sound, not Ja. Za sound. Sa sound. This is J. Like measure, pleasure. So that is the way of. And this is Ha sound. This is Cha sound. Cha. This is Ja sound. Ja. Like jar, jam. And this is Ra sound. It's La. And it is Ya. This is Va only, but this is van, and this is watch. So that is the way of pronouncing those consonants. I hope you are clear with this. Then I'll explain you with the words. Okay, how can we use these consonants in a particular word? How can we pronounce them while you are using it in a word? Okay, I'll show you. You just copy them if you are interested. So let me explain you with the word examples by using these consonant sounds in those words. Then you can understand better. those who want to speak with a good accent, just like a native speaker, then you have to follow these sounds. Those sounds are very important regarding speaking skills. If you are using those speaking skills while you are talking or giving seminar, whatever it is, okay, whenever you are speaking in English, if you want to be an effective speaker in English, then you have to follow these techniques while you are pronouncing each and every letter. Okay, so those are very important. So this p sound, like pen, okay, you cannot pronounce with the spelling sometimes, okay. For example, let me show you one thing. The spelling shows that K-N-I-F-E is, but still we are pronouncing it as knife, isn't it? And after that, honor, H-O-N-O-U-R, but we are pronouncing it as honor, H is silent. So those are differences, okay. And